Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So let's move to the third video of this course, web designing using HTML and CSS. So let's learn basic HTML tags part 2. In this video tutorial we will learn heading tags, NBSP, the nesting of HTML tags and HTML comments. Now heading tag, in our document sometimes you may have to put some headings, subheadings in different sizes. So if you want to have such a type of headings, you can put them into the tags from H1 to H6. Let's experience this with the help of this tutorial. I have added only two headings. Head 1 and head 2 are the headings added in between the tag. So if we run this file, okay, so in output I can see head 1 which is there in H1 tag, head 2 which is there in H2 tag. So you can observe the difference. Likewise you can go up to H6 as per the requirement of your web page. Then NBSP, it's a non-breaking space. Okay, so non-breaking space, if you put a space in between two words in your HTML page, that space will not be reflected as an output on the HTML web page in the web browser. For example, see, I have written a word go and some space in between and away. So let's see what's the output of this particular file. Here you can observe that go away. Whatever text, whatever space I have added in between this go away is not reflecting in the output. If I increase the space, save the document and refresh the browser, it will remain the same. So that if you want to have the space on your web page, then we have to use NBSP, that is non-breaking space. So you have to use this tag as and NBSP and semicolon. So this is one is for one space. So how many spaces you want, you can put those many NBSP tags so that that particular space will be applied to the web page. I am putting this text into H1 tag for better display and I'm refreshing the page. You can observe the space has been added in between these two words. Okay. Then next is nesting of HTML tags. It may happen that you want some particular text to be printed at the center of the tag and also you want it as a heading. So if you want to nest or use multiple tags for some particular text, same text, then you have to nest them. So here you can observe that H1 tag, opening tag, then center opening tag, then center closing tag and H1 closing tag, that is 1 2 2 1. So in this side closing tag should be in reverse order and these tags are in this, that is 1 2 and 2 1. If suppose I want the text in bold, italic and also in underline tags, then I have to write, that is if suppose order is this 1 2 and 3, then at closing side it should be 3 2 and 1. So this properly closing while nesting the tags, properly writing the sequence of the closing tags is very very important. It may create an error into your HTML page. The effect will not be reflected onto your HTML page. So let's see some one example of the same. I am heading at center. I want it as heading tag. Also, I want it as center. So here, firstly, I have written h1. Into that, I have nested center. Then I have to complete the center tag first and then the h1 tag. So if we see the output of this, you can observe here nesting of tags file. At the center heading has been printed. So h1 tag and center tag is nested within the h1 tag. So this is how we have completed the up to the nesting of the tags. So bye for now. Thank you very much.